So okay, we're back again. Okay, we've got the trusty old battery hooked up there. Positive to the starter motor, negative to the earth lead. And all right, I'm sure you'll be able to see it. That's reading 0 now. And we'll turn her over. That's promising. It's showing 110. So, yeah, maybe. Let's see, what's this one got? $130. It's promising. I'm not going to be able to show these ones to you. Where is it? There it is. Or am I? I don't know if you can see that. That doesn't feel like anything. 60 pound. Oh. And let's try number 1. It's not very good either. What have we got? 60 pound again. So, okay, first thoughts. Thinking valves to start with. If that much compression's lost just through rings, and yeah, it's probably not going to be pretty. Hopefully it's hopefully it's valves, and not anything too deeper. Oh, we'll see how we go. Just a quickie. Catch you guys.